Why, hello there. Things are going down. Check this out. Okay, right, it's Haley doing the severe weather outlook where we talk about earthquakes, because there's not much severe weather to talk about. We talk about earthquakes. Earthquakes. No, that sounds really weird. Really weird. And a minor chord. Really weird. No. Western Montana, they don't have a whole lot of earthquakes, do they? But they are the last earthquake today. Well, not the last. The last earthquake as of right this second when I refresh the page. Anyway, we move on to earthquakestoday.org. Earthquakes today. No. 156. And the strongest one is a big one, and that inspired me to again bury a new page down here. Strong earthquakes today. Very strong earthquakes. So here it is. Since computers always count from 0, they love to do that, don't they? That is the strongest. That's the number 1. Number 0 is like number 1. I'll figure out how to make that make sense later. So Kermadec Islands, that's where that is. It's several hundred. It's a whole bunch of miles away from New Zealand. I don't know. And then Hokkaido, Japan is the 6.1. Then Banda Sea and Juju, Argentina, wherever that is. So that was the magnitude 5 earthquake and greater. Was it even the... Okay. Yeah, so we've got a 6 and some 7s today. Right, anyway, moving on to whatever this is. It's, what's a good word for it? It's cold, but it gets warmer later. I don't know. So it's moved east, hasn't it? So we've got red flag warning, that's high wind warning. I only say that because I looked it up earlier. But let's see, that's freeze warning, that's frost advisory, that's freeze watch, I don't know, and that's frost advisory. Let's click here so we can tell what all of them are. Freeze watch, so freeze warning, frost advisory, freeze watch. That's what they all are. And then, just to the south of where you might freeze to death, is a red flag warning where you might set yourself on fire. I don't know. And yeah, why do we even look at that? So we can say, hey, look, I went to Wikipedia and look, there's an occluded front. It's when the cold front overtakes the warm front and then it makes purple. I don't know if it does in art class. I'd have to look that up. Drought monitor is over here. And it looks like that all the time. I think the image is bigger today. I'm going to have to look at old screencasts to see if I'm just imagining things. But I think it only used to go as large as that, right? I don't know what I'm talking about. Here's who'll be getting rain in the next 5 days. And apparently the largest area is up here in Canada. Well, and the Pacific as well. 3.0 inches, it was at a 2.0 next to that. Fantastic. Here is today, where it's green across the board. There's not even a thunderstorm area forecast at all. So this, all irrelevant today. But tomorrow, we have an area of stuff that's happening. Maybe a 5% chance out there in Oklahoma. No, that's horrible. Let's not do that. That's a C sharp and a E flat. You know, then I show that I don't know music theory, because you don't combine sharps and flats, right? I don't know. And then nothing going out in the Eastern Pacific. And in the Atlantic, something going on, 60% and 20%. So if we look at the models, I believe this is our 60%. So it might hit this area, might book west, or it might book north. I don't know where it's going, but we'll keep an eye on that. Right, anyway, wicked word. website, wickedwx.com. You take it easy.